Welcome to Module 7.20, Final Project Development, Structure. In this session, we'll focus on how to effectively structure and present your research plan. Beyond developing strong content, the way you organize and communicate your ideas significantly impacts how your research is received. We'll explore strategies for creating a logical presentation organization, implementing effective visual design elements, and preparing for successful recording delivery. These skills will help you present your research plan clearly and professionally, ensuring your audience can fully appreciate the value and rigor of your proposed work. Effective presentation structure guides your audience through your research plan. Logical flow development involves organizing information in a sequence that builds understanding progressively, typically moving from problem to significance, to methods, to implications. Attention-grabbing introductions quickly establish why your research matters, using compelling statistics, brief narratives, or thought-provoking questions that connect with audience interests. Clear transitions between sections explicitly connect ideas, helping listeners understand how each component relates to others rather than experiencing them as disconnected segments. Compelling conclusions reinforce key messages and broader implications, leaving audiences with a clear understanding of your research's value and next steps. Supporting materials organization ensures additional information like references, appendices, or supplementary data enhances rather than distracts from your core presentation. Together, these organizational elements create a coherent narrative that maintains audience engagement while effectively communicating complex research ideas. Visual design significantly impacts how audiences process and remember your research presentation. Consistent design templates create a unified look across slides using consistent colors, fonts, and layouts to minimize distraction and reinforce your professional image. Visual hierarchy implementation guides attention to the most important elements through size, color, positioning, and contrast, ensuring your key messages stand out. Data visualization integration transforms complex information into accessible charts, graphs, or diagrams that communicate patterns more effectively than text alone. Text and image balance avoids overwhelming slides with excessive text, instead using concise bullet points supported by relevant visual elements that enhance understanding. Professional appearance considerations include appropriate branding, high-quality images, and error-free text that collectively establish credibility. These visual design strategies ensure your presentation not only contains strong content, but presents it in a way that maximizes comprehension and retention. Preparing for recording ensures your final presentation effectively communicates your research plan. Script development guidance includes creating detailed speaker notes that expand on slide content without reading text verbatim, striking a balance between spontaneity and thoroughness. Practice strategies involve multiple rehearsals, first focusing on content mastery, then refining delivery, and finally incorporating timing considerations to meet requirements. Technical setup recommendations address lighting, sound quality, background environment, and equipment testing to ensure professional recording conditions. Delivery techniques include speaking at an appropriate pace, using vocal variety, incorporating purposeful pauses, and maintaining enthusiasm throughout the presentation. Editing and review processes involve critically evaluating your recording for content clarity, delivery effectiveness, and technical quality, making improvements before final submission. These preparation approaches help transform your well-structured content and visual design into a polished, professional presentation that effectively communicates your research plan.